Okay, so for take-home activity number 1, solve the following using 4-step approach to problem solving. Answers be written in notebook. First, Bon Voyage. From a lighthouse 350 feet above sea level, a ship is spotted with an angle of depression of 18 degrees. Approximately, how far out at sea is the ship? So, sa understand the problem, lalagay lang natin dito yung what is as. So, the question is, how far out at sea is the ship? Yan. And then, we will also note the given. So, we have height from the ground to the tower or lighthouse kung saan yung nag-observe. May height doon na 350 feet. And angle of depression, 18 degrees. Ayan, that's the understand the problem. In developing a plan, we need to draw the model. So, assuming ito yung mountain, tas nandito yung lighthouse. So, maaring nandun yung person. Angle of depression. So, ito yung horizontal line natin or eye level. Tapos, nandito yung ship sa sea. So, maaring nakita ng observer dito yung ship. At nandito ang angle of elevation natin na 18 degrees. Tapos, yung height from the observer to the ground is 350 feet. Now, the question asks for how far out the ship out of the sea or at the sea. So, ito yung magiging x natin. Yan yung unknown na hinahanap natin. In this case, if ito ay 18 degrees, this one is also 18 degrees. So, ang relationship niya from this angle, meron tayong adjacent, the unknown, tapos opposite. So, we will use tangent function. Opposite side over the adjacent side. So, in implementing the plan, we will do the solution. We will change the theta into 18 degrees is equal to opposite natin, 350 over x. And then, in solving this, pinag-change lang natin to ng position since ang focus natin ay kay x. X is equal to 350 over tan 18 degrees. Pe-press lang natin sa calculator yung tan 18 degrees. Sorry, papalitan na natin to. So, here's your calculator. So, ayun. Pag nakita niyo yung tan function, tan, and then 18 degrees. Kahit hindi na ilagay yung degrees yan, automatic yan yung angle niya. Equals. So, we will get the first 4 numbers from the decimal point. So, ito, papalitan natin yung tan ng 0.3249. Yan. So, we will just divide. Again, input natin yung 350 divided by 0.3249, 3249. So, we will have 1,077 point, at least 2 decimal places, 25, and the unit is feet. So, look back and check. Check lang natin yung question, how far out at sea. Yeah, yun ang hinahanap. Tapos yung given natin, if we copied it right, 350 feet, tas 18 degrees. Yung mga yun. Yan. So far, check naman. And then yung model natin. So, sabi niya kasi, a ship is spotted with an angle of depression. So, may nakakita sa ship. So, ganito siya. Angle of depression, tama naman. Horizontal line, eye level. Ito lang yung line of sight. And we have 350 feet above sea level yung nag-observe from a lighthouse of 350 feet. At yung gagamitin natin ay tan theta opposite over adjacent. Nilagay naman natin yung opposite from angle theta to this at yung opposite. Tas ito naman yung adjacent. So, 350. Check natin kung pwede nating i-input ulit sa calculator para ma-double check. Tan 18. Yan, 0.3249 talaga. Tapos, input ulit natin. 350 divided by 0.3249. Ayan, 1,077.25. So, therefore, nakapag-check na tayo. Lalagay natin dito sa ating look back and check. The ship is 1,077.25 feet out at sea. So, nandun siya. Ganun na siya kalayo. Alright. So, ganyan ang magiging solution ninyo. For questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you. Have a good day.